and you were pushing 90 miles an hour.
Really? Okay.
Yes, and because I was going right behind you,
okay.
and you passed me at, I was going, what, 35 miles an hour down Miller. You passed me like I was standing still.
Okay.
Then after that, you got on the ramp, and we went past Bird Road. I pushed 80 to try and catch up with you, and I was still, eating your dust.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network channel. Today I'd like to bring you guys a particular video from this channel going by the name of Claudia Castillo. I'm glad to say that these are my very favorite videos, as you will witness an officer being pulled over for speeding, not by another police officer, but just a regular citizen. I can tell you guys that this is something that police are definitely not used to, so it warms my heart when I come across these type of videos. Check this one out. Make sure you guys leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below, as well as don't forget to hit the description for the original video and channel link. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
There's an officer in front of me that I've been following since Miller, which is 56th Street, when he got onto the Palmetto. He's about 4 cars down. I've had to keep up with him. I had to push the limit and everything, and I actually know he was going about 100 miles an hour because I was hitting 80 and I could not catch up to him, and he was still leaving me behind. I was trying to get a hold of him because I actually at one point caught up when traffic allowed me to. I was able to get up to him and honked and flashed my lights to ask him to pull over, and I don't know if he ignored me or anything, but he's been driving recklessly and pushing 80 to 100 miles an hour throughout the highways, and just trying to, I don't know where he's going, what the emergency is, but he was driving very recklessly earlier, and he was just switching through lanes and just endangering, I guess that could be considered endangering of the public. I caught his ID, his vehicle ID is 2504A as an apple. When I can get up, I was finally able to pull him over, or pull next to him and ask him to please pull over so we can have a conversation. And he's now pulling over, I guess, or not. I'm not sure. So trying to see what he's gonna do. I guess he's finding a safe spot. Not sure. So it's just troublesome, to see, I mean, I'm sure he's a good guy, but nobody's above the law. We all have to be set the example kind of thing. You're a leader in the community. You need to be an example to the community. You need to lead by example. You need to show what's the right thing to do. So I'm gonna unfortunately I wasn't able to clip my camera and show how he was driving prior to this, but I'll still have the conversation with him and see what he says. So let's see what happens here. Okay, bye. The reason I pulled you over today, and I'm asking you to come over and have a conversation, is because I saw you since Miller Drive when you were first jumping onto the Palmetto. Okay. And you were pushing 90 miles an hour.
Really? Okay.
Yes, and because I was going right behind you, okay. And you passed me at, I was going, what, 35 miles an hour down Miller. You passed me like I was standing still. Okay. Then after that, you got on the ramp, and we went past Bird Road. I pushed 80 to try and catch up with you, and I was still, eating your dust. You were leaving me behind, and I was going 80 miles an hour. And I just wanted to know, what's the emergency?
I don't know how fast I was going, but I can tell you this: I'm on the way to work right now. I don't believe I was speeding, but like I said, you're entitled to your opinion.
How do you guys think this situation would have gone if these were reversed roles? I guess there are times where an officer might leave you off with a written warning, but most of the times isn't the case. In this video, the only thing I see I can commend this officer for doing is actually pulling over for stopping to talk to this lady. As you guys can kind of tell, he was still trying to admit to not speeding still, but they all will have to learn soon one way or another. Keep watching, guys.
I just saw you now when you pulled over next to me, which is why I pulled over here. I thought you had some kind of emergency or anything. Everything fine?
No, everything's fine. Yeah, it's your speeding.
Okay, well, I apologize, and I'll be sure to slow down then. Okay?
Yeah?
Yes. Okay.
All right. It's
anything
just...
else?
I think that...
Badge?
No, I just think that we should all set an example.
No, I agree.
You know, leaders of the community set by example. You know,
100%.
lead by example.
Couldn't agree with you
So
more.
it just irks me because I see kids nowadays. I ride with my boyfriend's kids all the time, and the other day we saw a cop drive past us like, you know, and it's concerning. So, all right,
All right, take care. Be safe, okay?
thanks.
Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. As always, the original video link and channel link will be down in the description. Don't forget to let this channel, Claudia Castillo, know San Joaquin sent you. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to a brand new channel of mine, go subscribe to I Know My Rights. That link will be down in the description as well. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.